Hi everyone, I hope you've had another great week. How many of you are aware of the Einstein quote about insanity, which is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different outcome? So when it comes to our business, how many of us are actually doing that? How many of us are actually continuing to do the same thing over again and hoping we're going to get a different outcome? In order to get a different outcome, ergo, we need to do something different. So we need to make some changes. So when it comes to putting change into your business and actually wanting to get growth as part of that change, there are 5 key areas that we need to be aware of and have really strongly in place in order to make sure we get that change and we can drive a different outcome. The first one of those is vision. Are you clear on where you're going? And is your team clear on where you're going, the business is going, and what's expected of them? The second one is skills. Do you have the right skills in the business? And knowing where you want to go, does your team have the right skills to get you there? If they don't, maybe you've got to bring some more people in, or maybe you've got to invest in some training and in terms of personal development plans so that we can grow those people and lift their skill level. The next area is incentive. So are they motivated in order to deliver the vision? And motivation isn't just about money and incentivizing. There may be an aspect of money and bonus reward, but it's the environment. Do they want to work from home? The team structure, who's managing them? So thinking about that whole sort of setup of your culture, does it actually really incentivize people to want to deliver that mission? The next area is resources. So if you know where you're going, you've got your skills, people are motivated and incentivized, do they have the resources in order to deliver that vision? If they don't, you may need to look at what that is required. And the last one is action plan. So it's really important that having been clear where you want to get to, putting the skills, the resources in place, the motivation, the incentivization, that you've got a clear action plan for people to follow. Because that's the bit that is really important, because if we don't have that, then people won't know what they're required to do on a more regular basis in terms of tasks to get you where you want to get to. So this Friday, it's the 13th of October, or on Friday the 13th of October, we're running our quarterly 90-day growth club, which is 90-day planning. So it's really important that will give you some clarity around the vision in terms of what you need to do so you can change the outcomes in your business, but more importantly then come away with an action plan in order to deliver what you need to do in the next 90 days that's going to move you forward. So have a think about that and how that can work in, and part of that planning may be around building skills and making sure you've got the resources, but it's really key to get clarity on that vision, put that plan together. So use the 90-day planning workshop as a great opportunity for you to do that. So have a great week and we'll see you soon.